Let's do a new exercise in SolidWorks air compressor body. Okay, all units in millimeter, material cast carbon steel. Now here we have front view with half section view. This is half section view, and right hand side view with half section view. And here this is the bottom view. Okay, so we will start with front view. Now we will make outer body, let's say 388. This inside wall 280, 380. Then this is, you will see there is a step 20 millimeter, corner radius R2. Now in this section view you will see there is a solid body. This cross section is solid body. So radius 176, then 190 radius, corner 14, and this wall thickness 14 millimeter. And here you will see this dimension. This is called symmetric linear dimension. Look, it means from one end to other end, this is 30 millimeter symmetric dimension. Come on top, 212. This is diameter, but this is actually going to make a solid. You will see here 212. This is the width of this body. You will see here symmetric linear dimension 212. Okay, now let me zoom. Now there is a step. You will see this is step 20 millimeter. Okay, then up to inside 10 plus 20, 30 millimeter. Okay, and wall thickness 14 we are going to keep as it is. And 212 center distance to here 250 millimeter. Now I am going to make sure units in millimeter, gram, second. Now let's activate plane. Click on plane and select sketch. Now I am going to draw first center line. Draw horizontal and vertical. Press escape key to out. Now here select center point arc. Now click on center and start your curve. Now again press here left mouse and drag your mouse and press somewhere here, press escape key to out. Now do one thing, press and hold shift key and let's make these two end points horizontal. It means both in one level. Now activate line. And connect. Press now here make tangent this point. Tangent. Now I am going to select this line horizontal. Now select end point of these two lines, hold shift key, select center point, symmetric. This is important relation. Activate line. Similarly I am doing this something like this. Now go back to the point and see the line is converted into arc. Exit. Now first make this line, press and hold shift key, select these two end points and select the center line. Symmetric. Okay. Mirror. Now let's do one thing. Now select these all outer lines and make sure we selected copy and mirror about this line. Okay. Activate line tool and connect and close. Press escape key to out. Okay, we have near complete geometry. So let's start 388. 380. 20. Fine. Now distance from here to here 212. Center distance to outer edge 250. Okay. Now distance from here to, okay, there is a catch. Delete this line and here I am going to go little upside. Press escape key to out. Press and hold shift key, select these two lines, symmetric. Okay, now select these two lines, equal also. Now 20. Now from here to here it's 30. Okay, these radius 176. Look, now this point is not tangent. Okay, let's define one more dimension. 250. Okay, select these two lines parallel. Let's check this thickness. This is going to be 14. Okay, by default this is 14. And this one 212. Okay, still few important thing balance. Let's say select this one and this circle concentric, delete. Cannot merge. Okay, delete this. I'm going to delete this tangent relation. Then we will see some better result. Center point. Select these two. Concentric. Okay. Now look, this is better. Okay. Still there is one more catch. 3-point arc. Let me draw one more arc. Exit. Line. Connect one line. Connect to this. Exit. Now let's mirror. Mirror about. Okay. Now let me choose here trim entity, power trim, and trim this all. Okay. $196. Fine. Now this wall thickness 14. And make this line and this line collinear, because this is also same 20 millimeter. Okay. Now in drawing, the center distance shows 30 millimeter. This is the symmetric linear dimension. Okay, let's check this. This is not 196, this is 190. Okay, now this is sort out. Okay, it's clear. Corner fillet, and here I am going to select 14 radius, and I am going to select these two corners. Okay. Here we will apply at the end. Now select extruded boss base. This is completely fully defined sketch. Now here I am going to select Okay, one direction 212 divided by 2. In one direction, in direction 2, 106. Okay. Now corner radius R20. Now both sides have a solid valve. Now solid valve, how to calculate? Okay. Now look, there is a flange 4 millimeter. Now just exclude this flange 4 millimeter from both sides. See this dimension. The overall thickness 212. This is just, we did half. Now you will see here wall thickness, we will calculate from here. 184 minus 212. 212 minus 184 divided by 2. 14. So both sides we have 14 millimeter wall, and then later we will add this 4 millimeter. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, convert entity so that you will get outer body. Extruded boss base. Keep end condition blind. Start condition we will keep same 14 millimeter, but this is moving outside. Just simply reverse arrow. Okay. Now let's mirror this. Front plane. Now here feature to mirror, extruded boss base. You will see the preview. Just show, if you show full preview it will show both sides, but I am going to keep partial preview. Say okay. Fillet. Keep radius 2 millimeter. Fillet type constant size, and here we have to choose edge. So let's say I am going to select inside edge. Okay, let's make this hole. This hole diameter you will see here 260 millimeter. Then there is a flange. This flange diameter 340. Okay, 4 millimeter thick. Then there is a 8 number of hole. Tapped hole M16 into 1.5, 8 holes. Okay, same holes in both side. You will see in section view this side also. So we will do this. Select this face, sketch, activate circle, draw one circle from center point 260, enter. Press escape key to out. See this, if line is black means this is fully defined sketch. Activate extruded cut feature, and here I am going to select direction through all. This is going to cut through all. Now you will see some preview. Okay, we will see soon. Again select this face, sketch. Now select this line, convert entity, even you can draw it, circle, start from center point 340, enter. Press escape key to out. Extrude. Now here keep start condition same, end condition blind, and depth is 4 millimeter. Okay. Now I am going to apply material, edit material, cast carbon steel, apply, close. Color, I am going to apply red color. Fine, it looks more something like a, you know, now let's apply here hole. So I am going to choose hole wizard. Now here I am going to choose tapped hole, standard, ISO standard, tapped hole, M16 into 1.5, end condition, and thread also up to end, and here choose option cosmetic thread. Position, select this face. Now see tool is activated, so press escape key to out. First activate circle and draw one circle for path, and this circle is 300, enter. Now here make sure this is for construction. See, now click this point and activate the tool. Now place at something somewhere here, press escape key to out. Now if you want to see cosmetic thread option, documents property detailing, activate shaded cosmetic thread, and here this is circular pattern. Now here first direction, so I am going to choose any circular body along with this. Look, equal spacing 360 because I want to make incomplete view, 8 number of holes, and this is the hole or feature what we selected. Okay, see. Okay, let's try to mirror this. Reference plane, I'm going to give front plane, feature to mirror first this body, this circular, then whole circular pattern. Say okay. Let's see. Okay, it's mirror. Okay, along with thread. That's fine. Now at top there are holes. You will observe there is a 2 hole. You'll see. Now these hole dimensions you will see here. 180, depth 20, then 168. This is linear or symmetric linear dimension. 168 diameter and 10. So let's do this. But before going to do, we have to make this one circular body. Activate circle and draw one circle, 212. Press escape key to out. Now see, this is fully defined. Extruded cut. Now look, keep end condition here blind. Depth 20 millimeter, and here choose flip side to cut. I want to cut outside, not the hole. Okay. See what result I want achieve. Sketch. Again I am going to apply here hole. Okay, let's apply 180. Extruded cut, and this depth 20 millimeter. Keep end condition blind. Again select inside hole surface, sketch, activate circle and draw one hole here. $168. Press escape key to out. Extruded cut. Now this time it is 10 millimeter, but it's better to define next. If you say next, this is going to cut up to next face or plane to this. See. Okay, I am going to select these 3 and not this, only these 2. Change the surface so that we will do more better identification. Now let's see. There is a one cutout. See, this is 130 by 130. 130 shows here and 130 shows here. Now this is, look, this is polygon. This shows the size of this. 164 outer to outer, hole 130. First we will make hole, then we will add this flange 4 millimeter, 162, and 24 millimeter. This hole from this corner 24 millimeter. This is important dimension. Okay. Select this face, sketch, center rectangle, better. 130, tap, 130, enter. Press escape key to out. Now find one center point. Now due to red color it is not shown, but there is a original origin, and hold shift key, select this one. Smart dimension. Now distance from this line. This is 24. See. extruded cut. And here choose end condition up to next, means this is going to cut up to inside wall. See, sketch. Now just select the previous sketch, convert entity. See, (162) tab 162, enter, press escape key to out. Okay, again if possible found origin point. Okay, one line. Now one side is clear. Now for other side you can apply even dimension also, half from here to here, 130 divided by 2. Okay, this is fully defined sketch. Extrude. Now here only thickness 4 millimeter. Okay, now look, this is more visible. Okay, before going to add corner hole, I want to add here. Now look, there are holes, 20 number of holes, M10 into 1. See, 3 one side, 3 one side, to this side, to this side. And this is the half, 32 millimeter from one end, 8 millimeter from internal line. Here also 8 millimeter from internal line. 24 from, okay, this is the location for this, 40 40. Okay, then radius R30 R8 inside. Let's do this. Okay, directly go to hole wizard, tabbed hole, ISO tabbed hole. Here I am going to select M10 into 1, end condition, the hole up to next. Okay, up to next wall, thread also up to next position. Now select this. Okay, press escape key to out. First let's make, it's better to make a rectangle. Rectangle will help for construction. Okay, smart dimension, 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter. Similarly, from all side 8 millimeter. Okay, now let me draw center line. Now let's activate our hole, select point and place one here, one here, one here, one at center, one here, okay, one at center. Total 10 hole in one side. Press escape key to out. Okay, let's apply few dimensions. Then we will 32, 40, okay, let's select this upper one, hold shift key, select this one, vertical. just create constraint, select these 2 points vertical. Similarly, select this one and this one horizontal. Press and hold shift key, select point 1, point 2 and leave shift key and you will see this pop up, or even right side, left side there is. Now this is fully defined sketch. For hole I am going to change color. Look, see, this is from inside. Select right plane, mirror, feature to mirror. Select one and hole. Say OK. Let's see. Okay, hole also mirror. Okay, the cutout is not mirror. So edit. Now select the cutout. From here you can select OK. Okay, fine. Cutout also fillet, constant type fillet. First I am going to select outer one and this is 30. If I am going to select this outer edge, it will show you this option. So select the first one and it will select all four corner. Similarly, move cursor, select the first edge and select this one, first option, and it will select all 4 edges. Okay. Again fillet, this time constant type and radius 18. Select one inside one. Now this option will come, select the first one, all 4 selected. Similarly I am going to do here. Okay. For better visibility I am going to change the color or something like this. I'll just change the appearance. Okay. That's it. You will see here 111, 63 the whole distance, 24 from one end, 20 from bottom, 50 millimeter, and M12 into 1.4. And what is the depth of this? You can calculate from here, 110. $212 is overall, divide by 2. 106 minus 110, 4 millimeter. Okay. So I am going to select this face, sketch. Now activate corner rectangle, 50, tab, 111, enter. Press escape key to out. Now find any midpoint. See, there is a midpoint. Press and hold shift key. Select center one. Okay. This seems fully defined sketch. Extrude. Here keep end condition blind and depth 4 millimeter. Okay. I am going to change appearance for this. Hole wizard. Now here tabbed hole, ISO standard tabbed hole. Now this is going to be M12 into 1.5 and the depth also through all up to next position. Now select this face. Now before going to place somewhere, let's draw one line. Line makes work easy. 63, enter. Select the midpoint or midline, horizontal. Okay. 20. Okay, that's fine. Now activate point and place. Press escape key to out. Double click and change the appearance. See, the hole is created. Let's say, now let's go to bottom. There is a hole. See, you will see the hole here also. 30 millimeter from here, 30 millimeter from here, 30 millimeter from here. A center to center distance 15, so 15, 15. So let's make this hole, then we will add this one. Select corner rectangle. Center line and draw one center line. Now select this, mirror entity, mirror about this. Okay, smart dimension 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter. 15 millimeter. Extruded cut and make depth up to next. Say OK. Now see. Fillet 10 millimeter. Constant type. Now I am going to select here, here and here also. So how you find this edge? Okay. See, even the line are hidden, you can easily identify. See? Okay. Let's say half section view. Fine. Now look. This is the line. And this one. Now you will see the radius R10, R10. Now we did radius. Okay, let's come to bottom to this 45 millimeter, all corner R10 radius. And there is a hole, 16 dia hole, 4 number of holes. First distance 292, 325. Okay. In section view, this is visible, fine. Hole to hole 252, 280. Sketch. Now rectangle. Now start from this. Let me draw one center line. Okay. Select these two lines equal and these two lines collinear. Now outer to outer dimension 292, 45. Now let's mirror entity. Now select this all and select this all. Make sure copy mirror about this line. Okay. Smart dimension. $325. Okay. Let me draw one center line. any one center line, center of the body. Now select these two outer lines, hold shift key and select this one and leave. Symmetric. Now look, our drawing it seems fully defined. Extruded boss base. Keep end condition blind 30 millimeter. Reverse direction. It should be inside. Okay. Now corner fillet 10 millimeter. Constant type. Now I'm going to select and even I'm going to select this corner. Okay, now here we selected all, say okay. Look. Now let's make a hole. Select this face, sketch. Now I'm going to draw one construction line or corner rectangle. Make sure this is for construction. Smart dimension. Now 252. Length 280. Okay, let me draw center line. Press and hold shift key, select both the ends and center line. It should be symmetric. Okay, I'm going to select end point and center line. Symmetric. Similarly, I'm going to select these 2 points and center line. Press and hold shift key, these 2 points, center line, symmetric. Look, it seems fully defined. Circle. Let's draw one circle, 16, enter. Press escape key to out. Now select all 4 circles and make relation equal. See? Extruded cut. And in depth just write up to next. It means this is going to cut up to upper wall. See? Now let's check what else balance with this. Now just check section view. Okay. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. If you want to download this JPG file, you can just simply go to Facebook page CAD/CAM tutorial by Mehtab Alam, and from where you can download a 4K size JPG file.